Beautiful singing. Oh my gosh. Oh, girl, she can sing. Harmony. Oh my gosh, freak. And the other judges. Head tone. Oh my gosh. Freak, that's so high. Wait. She went up to G6. Hello guys, hello Indonesia, Southeast Asia, fans of Rimar and fans of Laura from Indonesia's Got Talent. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here though, my name is Nephi, band vocalist and YouTube actor from the Philippines but currently living here in Indonesia. Hai sa mga pakabar, selamat pagi atau selamat malam, selamat siang, nama saya Nephi. Saya penyanyi dan YouTube actor dari Filipina tapi sekarang saya tinggal di Pekalongan, Jawa Tengah, Indonesia. Hari ini saya buat reaksi video untuk Laura dan Rimar. They will be singing or they will be performing in the Road to Grand Finals of Indonesia's Got Talent. I think, of course, Rimar is a guest here, and I haven't heard of Laura before, but I see in the thumbnail that she's like singing and playing an instrument. Yep, and I couldn't wait to watch this. So without further ado, guys, let's go check this out. Ready, 1, 2, 3. She's a kid. Oh my gosh. How old is she, guys? Umur dia berapa, guys? Mungkin 10 ya.
Final ini
10 tahun.
saya terus terang tidak menyangka.
Her mom
Tapi sekaligus saya bangga dan bahagia Laura bisa mencapai
should be proud and happy.
sejauh ini. Perjalanan Laura untuk mencapai Road to Grand Final ini tentunya tidak mudah. Dia harus berusaha keras, bahkan belajar dalam waktu yang singkat dan dia harus cepat bisa.
Wow.
Rasanya selangkah lagi menuju final, deg-degan banget soalnya lawannya tinggal dikit.
Tinggal dikit. Oh my
Yang
gosh.
berbeda dari performance kali ini adalah Laura akan nyanyi sambil
Oh my
main
gosh.
piano.
And then main piano. Wow, okay.
Sebagai sosok seorang ibu bagi Laura, saya ingin menjadi supporter terbesar untuk Laura sehingga Laura bisa tetap meraih mimpi-mimpinya.
Let's go, girl. Whoa. Okay, it's my first time to hear her play the piano and hear her sing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this song. Whoa. It's a new song. Yeah, it's not really that old. I mean, it's just this year, I think. Dang. She's a child wonder, a prodigy. Freak. Whoa. Love this song. She's feeling it. Whoa. The accuracy though. See? She's a pro, oh my gosh. With dynamics. I love it. And she's so calm, like, whoa, the skill though. So accurate. There's a choir. Wow. Rimar. I miss her voice. Beautiful singing. Oh my gosh. Oh, girl, she can sing. Harmony. Oh my gosh, freak. Weaving. Beautiful singing, Rimar. Yes, Laura. Harmony Affair. I heard that. Wow. Suaranya tinggi, guys. Laura. Beautiful harmony. Powerful Rimar as always. Wow. Harmony. Nice. Rosa was standing up, and the other judges. Head tone. Oh my gosh! Freak! That's so high! Wait. Oh my gosh! Is this for real? She went up to G6. Laura. That's really high. And that's incredible. She's a great player of the piano, musician. And now her vocals are just crazy, super good. Whoa. And her piano skills are just so natural. Beautiful Rimar. She is super young, tapi dia berbakat banget, guys. Mantap sekali nih. Luar biasa. Standing ovation from all 4 judges. Oh my gosh. And she's just a little kid. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
Pertama
Okay.
kali,
Kita dengar ya.
iya. Pertama kali gue ngelihat Laura dalam karakter yang berbeda di atas panggung yang spektakuler. I
Spektakuler.
love the stage tonight.
Boleh minta tepuk tangan buat choir anak-anak juga yang tadi ikut bantuin.
Ikut bantuin.
Keren banget kalian. Keren banget.
Keren.
Wow. Laura, kamu tahu nggak kakaknya siapa?
Karima.
She knows Rimar, Kak
Jadi
Rimar.
Laura tuh memang kamu ternyata bukan hanya pandai bermain piano, tapi kamu juga jago banget nyanyi.
Boleh minta tepuk tangannya untuk Rimar.
Betul.
Thank you.
Anyway, Tante Rosa
Rimar,
dan
terima
Tante Diri
kasih,
sama Rimar.
girl. You sound so
Sejujurnya
good.
kita kayaknya mau ngasih kado buat Laura dulu.
Karena
2 minggu lalu baru ulang tahun loh.
Oh, it was her birthday 2 weeks
Oh,
ago.
dinyanyiin nggak? Hadiah yang
Selamat
banyak
ulang
buat
tahun.
Ketemu Om Reza sama Teh Ocha terus.
Oh, Teh Ocha terus.
Oke.
The jacket
Karena
of
keinginan
Teh Ocha
kamu
though, it's so
seperti
pretty.
itu, maka Teh Ocha dan Om Reza akan pindah ke rumahmu besok.
ngekos.
Laura, can I?
Sini.
Okay,
Sobat.
so
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
happy birthday to
Laura.
you.
Happy birthday,
Laura.
Happy birthday,
Laura.
Wow.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Oh, okay, girl.
Happy birthday, Laura.
Wow,
And we
that was
wish you all the
special birthday song for her from Teh Ocha herself, the diva. Kenapa ini? Aduh,
One legacy, one legacy.
one legacy.
sampai lu One Legacy lu.
Putar ya. Semua tepuk tangan dulu buat Rimar, boleh Rimar.
Rimar, yes, Rimar.
Thank you.
Rimar, you never fail, girl. Love your voice as always.
Pemirsa pengen lihat Laura nanti di malam final, votingnya kemana sih, Nak?
Jangan lupa vote Laura sebanyak-banyaknya.
Oh my gosh.
Di RCTI Plus
When she
ya.
speaks, she's a little kid, but when she sings and when she plays the piano, she is a different person. She is a professional, a child prodigy, guys.
Biar bisa tampil lagi.
Indonesia, another great talent right here. Vote for her, please.
Semua tepuk tangan
Aww.
untuk Laura.
She's so cute, though. Okay. Oh my gosh, Indonesia, you need to vote for her. She's so talented. I love her singing and I love her playing the piano. And it was so nice for her to be with Rimar on that stage. That was just spectacular, guys, I'm telling you. So yeah, thank you so much for letting me watch this video. If you got more, just let me know in the comment section. You can also send me your messages and requests via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, TikTok for all of the description box right down below. And if you like this video reaction, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe because it will mean a lot to me, guys. Thank you all so much, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.